If you want to learn how to import an image in Krita, I'll show you two simple methods that are fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect, whether you're working on an existing project or just want the quickest way to bring in an image. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to place an image into your Krita canvas as a new layer and how to use drag and drop for an even faster workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's go over the most common method, which is importing an image as a new layer into an existing project. This is the best option if you already have a canvas open and you want to add a photo, sketch, texture, logo, or reference image on top of your current artwork. Start by opening Krita and loading the project you want to work on. Once your canvas is open, look at the top horizontal menu bar and click on Layer. From the drop-down menu, hover over Import/Export and then select Import Layer. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Now browse to the folder where your image is saved. Select the image file you want to import and then click Open. Krita will place that image into your project as a brand new paint layer, which means it will appear inside your layers docker just like any other layer. From there, you can move it, resize it, transform it, or keep it exactly where it is depending on what you need. This method is really useful if you want full control over the image after bringing it into Krita. If the image appears too large or too small, don't worry. You can use Krita's transform tools to adjust it later. You can also reorder the layer in the layers panel if you want it above or below other elements in your artwork. For example, if you're adding a reference photo, you might keep it on top and lower the opacity. If you're importing a design element, you may want to position it carefully before continuing with your drawing or painting. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is drag and drop. This is the fastest way to import an image into Krita when you already have the file open in your computer's File Explorer. Simply open your File Explorer, find the image you want to use, and then click and drag that file directly onto your open Krita canvas. Once you release the mouse button, Krita will show a pop-up menu with a few options. From that pop-up menu, you can choose Insert as New Layer or Import as a reference image. If you choose Insert as New Layer, the image is added directly into your document and behaves like a normal layer. If you choose Import as a reference image, Krita will place it as a reference, which is helpful when you want to trace, study proportions, or keep the image visible without editing it like a regular layer. This makes drag and drop one of the most convenient ways to bring images into your workflow. One important thing to remember is that the option you choose depends on how you plan to use the image. If you want to edit it, transform it, or combine it with your artwork, choose Insert as New Layer. If you only need it as a visual guide, choose Import as a reference image. That small choice can save you time and make your workflow much smoother. Also, if you do not see the image appear exactly where you expect, check your layers docker to make sure the layer was added correctly. Sometimes the imported image may need to be repositioned or scaled before it fits your canvas properly. Krita gives you a lot of flexibility here, so don't be afraid to move things around until everything looks right. So to quickly recap, the first method is using Layer, then Import and Export, then Import Layer to add an image as a new layer in an existing project. The second method is dragging the image straight into Krita and choosing either Insert as New Layer or Import as a reference image from the pop-up menu. Both methods are simple, and once you practice them a couple of times, they'll become second nature. If this tutorial helped you learn how to import an image in Krita, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Krita beginner guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.